In the first half of 2021, XLAB created a virtual roadshow for Axis Communications, a global leader in security technologies. Streamed across various regions around the world, it featured numerous engagement options. More than 60 speakers, both live and pre-recorded, presented on the platform, speaking 11 languages with simultaneous interpretation offered in 8. Combining speakers using green screens with speakers using their home setup, they all appeared as if in one room. In addition, we created green screen studios in Axis offices around the world. Production of the 3 consecutive virtual events in different parts of the world lasted for 6 months. The concept was engagement through immersion, positioning the users so convincingly in a virtual event that they felt as if they were there in person. This started by walking guests into a virtual lobby, decorated in Axis colors, which was an exact replica of their new headquarters in Lund, Sweden. The participants had the opportunity to watch a live event full of sector-specific talks, connecting Axis and guest speakers both with and without green screen in a virtual studio. To maintain engagement for the entirety of the event, options such as games like Pac-Man, social walls, and event escape games in breakout rooms were offered. The 3D environment also served as a professional TV-like broadcasting facility, allowing for them to interact in real time. The online platform we created for this conference contained such powerful features and alluring design that it allowed for us to create a memorable experience that brought all parties together and helped foster strong and lasting partnerships.